Off and racing, Destin, a little slick Warrior, the debutante, 3 deep, no cover. On debut, Romantic Warrior starting to dash away. Didn't matter about gate 12, that's been smart, Romantic Warrior.
They're off. Back was Romantic for the top turn. Far on the rail from Blaze Warrior. He's driving for Karastegan and he's going to win the Classic Mile, the perfect 5. Spangle's in front. Chiron Red Sun won't get him. Warriors on the inside from SJ Torbjorn and champion. Romantic Warrior. The Spangle lifts. The Warrior comes. Romantic Warrior takes the lead. We've got number 3 of the afternoon. They're off. And Savvy Knight is last of all. 800 metres to go. But it's Romantic Warrior. He's going to do the derby. QE2 double. Life doesn't get much better. Torbjorn Diamond. 4th is Romantic Warrior. Conditions holding. He's holding. He just finds a way to win. He's a great horse. Racing in the cup. Next Romantic Warrior. The local favourite. 5 off the lead. 1 off the rail. Geoglyph rushing in for next. The perfect racehorse, Romantic Warrior, and he's now a Hong Kong Cup winner.
He's the perfect racehorse, honestly.
And Hong Kong's horse of a generation wins the race of the decade. Golden 60, the greatest of Hong Kong. He beat Romantic Warrior. 3rd Romantic Warrior, 4th then on the kid. It's Romantic Warrior. He's blowing kisses to the crowd, and he's going to win his 2nd QE2. And Russian Emperor goes back to... Racing in the Cox Plate. Romantic Warrior. Then Romantic Warrior, Mr. Brightside. Still Alligator Blood. Mr. Brightside coming out from Romantic Warrior. I think the Warrior's done it. Peter Lau thinks the Warrior's done it. What a ride. What a horse. And he wins it again.
現在でスタート切られた。まずそのロマンチックウォリアー、そこからダニエル、ソウルダッシュは現在3番手。勝ったのはロマンチックウォリアー。18年ぶり本気。
Romantic Warrior 4th at the 1,000 metre mark. The island continues to run on, but it's the Warrior, Romantic Warrior, 2 at Liberty Island. It's history at Sha-Tin.
Racing sensation, 8 to 5, Group 1 champion, Phil Linson.
Into racing, Lloyd's bubbling straight, Aaron. Take a bow, Denny Shum. He's back, and he is back in style. What a horse, Romantic Warrior. Racing, Cheng Glory, Romantic Warrior, 1 away 3rd, Bellagio. Romantic Warrior sits quietly 3rd. Straight Aaron and Bellagio Opera, 2:20 to go. It's Romantic Warrior, 3 in front of Bellagio Opera. Cheng Glory, the leader though, is Romantic Warrior. He's 3 in front, Bellagio Opera. It's history, it's cup number 4. The Warrior in name, Warrior in nature.
He's so special. He's so special, mate.
Yeah,
I just love him. I love him. Thank you.
Well done.